Hi, myself Jeffrey. I work as a sales executive in Plaxonic. I was not choosing the company initially, so it was just I came for an interview, a normal interview with Kuldeep sir at that time, where I was already in an idea that I don't want to work in a corporate company anymore because I had a very bad experience prior to that. So I was okay, no, I won't come, but I was asked to come by Mega Ma'am, like just come and see how the environment looks like, just come and just give an interview or something. So I just came for the sake of that, and then Kuldeep sir was the first person that made sense to me at that time. I just met with him. He felt like someone that I can look up to, and then I thought, okay, let's just give a chance. Like I can maybe give a try to the company. I never thought like I would work with the company for 10 plus years as of now, because initially I just wanted to make some pocket money thing. Like I come from a very middle class family, so I was not having that privilege of paying my family too much of to take care of my expenses or something. So that's when I started the journey just as something to earn side by side, because I was doing my graduation at that time, and my family also was against that idea. But then I started working on it. But then later on, I think it was the vision that helped or that held me with the company more, because I was seeing there was a team that was led by one leader who was guiding them, who was helping them through all the aspects of their life. And I wanted that kind of comfort. Like I might be searching for that kind of comfort from a very early age, since I lost my father. So I was looking for someone who could guide me, because I know in many aspects of my life I have took very, very wrong decisions, but these people have helped me to make it better once I have took that decision. But when I see it now from my mom's perspective, she also worked with one organization for 30 plus years, right? And her mantra was always the same, that is to keep the work as much as transparent and as much as ethical a person can do, and then keep God also along with it, and everything would work out in a very well manner. So I think when she sees me working with an organization for 10 plus years as of now, she might be able to relate it, like why I'm able to do it, because now she understands that the kind of person that I'm becoming because of the people around me is something that she has always told me to do so. Like her dreams was not me for to buy a car or to buy a house or anything. Yes, she wanted financial stability in me, but more than that, she always wanted me to be a better person, a good person for the overall society, which Plaxonic has helped me a lot, because I sometimes do make misjudgments, and I do sometimes talk too much about the things that is happening in my life, and I would try to crib about it. But then the company process of how it started with a small room, and how it has came up to a building of its own and has different offices in different countries itself shows that okay, when you have patience and when you have the right efforts, then things do start falling into the place. It's just that you have to keep that consistency again and again and again for a period of time. So I think Plaxonic invest in dreams of individual people rather than just the collective dream of Plaxonic itself. Because what happens is that if you help a person to reach or complete his or her own goal, that helps that person to give more to the collective dream of the company. When I connect with like my friends or other team members from other company, they always do mention about like they do go for retreats. But what happens is that in those companies they go as different teams. So there could be like one team that is separate from another team, and they would go like to a separate location. And sometimes it's also based on performance also. Some team do get option to go to 5-star, and the other team might go for a 3-star restaurant just for a dinner or something. But here I think that involvement of everyone together was I think it was diluted from a very early stages itself, because we used to go to trips like maybe even 25 to 30 trips in a year, like when we started working in this company. And that was like not common to us. Like when we go and tell our friends that we are going for a trip, official trip, So they would like, okay, how many trips would you go in a year? Because it's like, for them, it's just one event in 1 year that happens for them. But here we are able to connect with, I'm not like making it sound big, but when you go and sit with the CEO of the company in the same table having the same paratha with that same person, that feels more connectable. Like you feel, okay, you are being accepted not as an employee, but as a team member, as a family. Hey, my name is Jeff and I'm Plaxonian.